Good morning everyone. We were studying chapter 3. In this chapter we have already studied about the matrices, its order and types of matrices. Now in today's class we are going to perform operation on matrices. Operation means the algebraic operation such as addition, subtraction and multiplication. Division we are not going to perform. We will perform only addition, subtraction and multiplication. So let's start with the addition. So first we are having addition of matrices. So in this topic, what we have to do, we have to simply perform the addition in between two matrices. Suppose we have given two matrices such as, first matrices we are having 80, 60, 75, 65, 90 and 85. Here you can say it is having 3 by 2 order. It means 3 rows we are having and 2 column we are having. And the another matrix is 90, 70, 75, 50, 55 and 75. This is also a 3 by 2 matrix. So to perform addition, first we have to know that order of the matrix should be same. So without same order, we cannot perform addition, subtraction and multiplication. So we can easily add this matrices, such as we have to add first element of first matrix to the second element, to the first element of second matrix, such as 80 plus 90 we can write. For second element we can write 60 plus 50. For this element we can write 75 plus 70. And for this element we can write 65 plus 55. And here we will have 90 plus 75 and the last element will be 85 plus 75. So as you can see, we have to simply perform the addition between the elements of the matrices. जैसे हमारे पास first element इस matrix का है तो second मैट्रिक्स का भी फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ही हम ऐड करेंगे. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट को सेकेंड एलिमेंट से हम ऐड नहीं करते हैं. सो द रिक्वायर्ड रिजल्ट विल बी, आफ्टर एडिंग we will have 170, 110 and here we have 145. Next we will have 65 plus 55, that is 120. This element we will have, that is 165 and the last element we will have 160. So this is our required matrix. Okay, now we are going to perform the multiplication between a matrices. Now we are going to perform multiplication of a matrix. So as we perform the addition of a matrix between two different matrices, in same way we are going to perform the multiplication. Suppose we have a question that Fatima has doubled the production at a factory. So in this case, Fatima has the production A, that is 80, 75, 90, 60, 65 and 85. Okay, and now we have to find the double amount of it. So simply we can say that double amount of matrix A will be 2A. ओके, सो 2A के लिए हमें क्या करना है, डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई करना है इस पर्टिकुलर मैट्रिक्स को 2 से. ओके, तो हम कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, डायरेक्टली हमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. पहले तो हम मैट्रिक्स के बाहर लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट स्टेप में we will have 80, 75, 90 and here we have 60, 65 and 85. Now we have to multiply 2 with each and every element of this matrix. So the required result will be 2 into 80, 2 into 60, 2 into 75, 2 into 65, 2 into 90 and 2 into 85. Okay, so now we will have our required result such as 160. When we multiply 80 by 2 we will get 160. When we multiply 60 by 2 we will get 120. When we multiply 75 by 2 we will get 150. And when we multiply 65 by 2 we will get 130. And 90 by 2 is 180 and 85 by 2 is 170. So this is our required matrix by multiplying the above matrix with 2. Okay, this is the multiplication of a matrix. So what we have done, we simply multiply the element with each and every element of a given matrix. Okay, so this is the multiplication. Now we are going to perform the difference between two matrices. So difference we can find out by simply subtract one matrix from the another. We are going to perform the difference of a matrix, and difference can be easily find out by simply subtracting one matrix with the other. Okay, so suppose we are having one matrix is A equal to 1, 2 and 3, 2, 3 and 1, and the another matrix we are having is B, 3 minus 1, 3, next is minus 1, 0 and 2. Okay, and we have to find out the value of 2a minus b. So what we have to do here, we have to perform the multiplication also, that we have to multiply a by 2 and then we have to divide 2a by b. We have to subtract from 2a. So first we find the value of 2a. So 2a will be, as we have learned in our previous topic, that we will simply multiply 2 with every element of the given matrix. So 2a will be 2, 4, 6, 4, 6 and 2. Okay, now we have our 2a. What we have to do? We have to subtract b from 2a to get our required result. So 2a will be 2, 4, 6, 4, 6, 2, and b we are having, which is given in the question, that is 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 0 and 2. Both the matrix are having same order, so we can easily subtract one element from another. So we can say we will get 2 minus 3. Here we get 4 minus plus 1, because we have 4 minus minus 1, that means minus minus will become plus. Okay, here we have 6 minus 3. Now we have 4 minus minus 1, that means 4 plus 1, 6 minus 0, and now we have 2 minus 2. So the answer will be, we are having, that will be equal to minus 1, 5, 3. So the required result will be 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, 4 plus 1, that is 5, 6 minus 3, that is 3, 4 plus 1, that is 5, 6 minus 0, we have 6, and 2 minus 2, that is 0. So this is our required result when we subtract 2a, when we subtract b from 2a. Okay, that's it. So now we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise 3.2. So our first question is, we have given a equals to 2, 4, 3, 2, b is 1, 3, minus 2, 5, and c is minus 2, 5, 3 and 4. And we have to find the value of a plus b, a minus b, 3a minus c, ab and ba. Here you can see the order of a, b and c are the same, that is 2 by 2. Here we have also 2 by 2, and order of c is also 2 by 2. So we can easily find the value of a plus b, a minus b, 3a minus c, ab and ba. First we are going to find the value of a plus b. So to find the value of a plus b, we are having 2, 4, 3 and 2. And b we are having 1, 3, minus 2 and 5. So we can easily add this. 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 plus 3 is 7, 3 minus 2 is 1, and 2 plus 5 is also 7. So a plus b we get 3, 7, 1, 7, that is also of 2 by 2 order. Now we have to find the value of a minus b. We have a is 2, 4, 3, 2, and b we are having 1, 3, minus 2 and 5. So we have to now subtract b from a. We will get 2 minus 1, that will be 1, 4 minus 3, that will also 1, 3 minus minus 2, that means 3 plus 2 we have 5, and 2 minus 5, that will be minus 3. So now we have also find the value of a minus b. Now we have to find the value of 3a minus c. So first we multiply the value of a with 3. We will get 3, 2, 4, 3 and 2. So when we multiply 3 by a, we will get 6, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9, and 3 2s are 6. Now we have to subtract c also from 3a. So when we subtract c from 3a, we will get, we have 3a is 6, 12, 9 and 6. And c we are having as minus 2, 5, 3 and 4. Okay. So now we are going to subtract C from 3A, then we will get 6 minus 2. That means 6 plus 2, that will be 8. 12 minus 5, we will get 7. 9 minus 3, we will get 6. And 6 minus 4, we will get 2. So we have 3A minus C as 8762. Okay, now we have to find the value of AB. We have to multiply A with B. A we are having 2, 4, 3, 2. And B we are having 1, 3, minus 2 and 5. Okay, so we will get 2 by 1, we will get 2. 4 by 3, we will get 12. 3 by minus 2, we will get minus 6. And 5 by 2, we will get 10. So here you can see last value is we have to find the value of BA. Here we are multiplying with A with B or B with A, we will get the same result. So BA will be, B we are having 1, 3, minus 2 and 5, and now we have to multiply B with A, that is 2, 4, 3 and 2. Okay, so now we are going to multiply B with A. So the result will be 2 1s are 2, 4 3s are 12. Here we have minus 6 and here we have 10. So BA is equal to, we are having AB. Okay, this is the solution of first question. Okay, that's it. Thank you everyone.